Please be aware that this video is strictly for informational and educational purposes only, and it is not intended or to be construed as any form of investment, financial, or professional advice in any way. Picture a truly world-changing idea that originated from the visionary mind of a teenager. That remarkable story belongs to Ethereum and its brilliant co-founder and creator, Vitalik Buterin, who dreamed big from a young age. Vitalik Buterin was born in Kolomna, Russia, back in 1994, and at just 6 years old, he relocated to Canada, where his outstanding talents in mathematics and computer science rapidly emerged and set him apart from his peers. His adventure into the world of digital currencies truly ignited at the age of 17, when his father introduced him to Bitcoin, instantly captivating him with its revolutionary decentralized structure and limitless possibilities. Buterin swiftly rose to prominence as a key contributor and insightful writer for Bitcoin magazine, where he shared his deep knowledge and helped shape the early cryptocurrency community through his thoughtful articles. Yet, over time, he became increasingly frustrated with Bitcoin's restrictive design, especially its lack of support for more advanced and complex applications beyond basic peer-to-peer transactions. This growing dissatisfaction inspired his bold vision for a far more flexible and powerful blockchain platform capable of supporting a wide array of innovative decentralized applications and smart functionalities. Towards the end of 2013, Buterin released the Ethereum white paper on a popular Bitcoin forum, detailing his pioneering concept for a fully programmable blockchain that could transform the industry. This influential document introduced the game-changing notion of smart contracts, which are automated, self-executing agreements with terms directly encoded on the blockchain for secure and reliable performance. Ethereum was conceived as a worldwide, open-source platform that enables developers to build and launch virtually any type of decentralized application, ranging from sophisticated financial tools to decentralized social networks and beyond. To finance the ambitious development of Ethereum, the project launched an initial coin offering, commonly known as an ICO, in 2014, successfully raising more than $18 million from enthusiastic supporters around the globe. This groundbreaking crowdfunding effort cleared the path for Ethereum's official public launch on July 30th, 2015, marking a historic moment in blockchain history. The Genesis block, serving as the foundational first block of the Ethereum blockchain, officially kicked off a transformative new chapter in the realm of decentralized technologies and smart contract platforms. Despite its promising start, Ethereum faced significant early hurdles, including a massive security vulnerability in 2016 called the DAO hack, which put the entire network's stability at serious risk. In response to this crisis, the Ethereum community executed a contentious hard fork, resulting in the creation of two separate chains, the main Ethereum blockchain and Ethereum Classic, demonstrating the protocol's robustness and adaptability. Among Ethereum's landmark achievements is the Merge, a massive technical upgrade that successfully shifted the network from energy-intensive proof-of-work mining to the more sustainable and efficient proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. This critical upgrade slashed Ethereum's energy usage by over 99% and established a strong foundation for upcoming scalability enhancements like sharding and Layer 2 solutions. Ethereum's influence reaches well beyond its technical foundations, serving as the essential backbone for the rapid growth of decentralized finance, or DeFi, platforms that offer innovative financial services without traditional intermediaries. Furthermore, it laid the groundwork for the explosive rise of non-fungible tokens, known as NFTs, which have redefined concepts of digital ownership, provenance, and creative expression in the online world. Vitalik Buterin remains a pivotal figure and chief architect within the Ethereum ecosystem today, steering its ongoing development and passionately promoting it as essential civilization infrastructure for the future. From its humble beginnings as a visionary white paper to becoming a sprawling global decentralized network, Ethereum has profoundly altered our perception of what's possible in the digital and blockchain realms. The extraordinary journey of Ethereum, driven by the genius of Vitalik Buterin, stands as powerful proof of how relentless innovation combined with a dedicated global community can redefine the digital age. We invite you to dive deeper into the world of blockchain innovation and discover the exciting future it holds for technology and society.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.